Are you thinking about building a patio this year? Patios are a popular DIY project for homeowners because they are so versatile and allow a wide range of options. Stay tuned to hear the best patio drainage options. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Whether you're planning to put down an elaborate pattern of pavers or a straightforward series of concrete tiles, there are a few foundational components to consider. In this video, I'll tell you where to start, what type of drainage system should be used, and what happens if water doesn't drain off your patio. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. First, the best thing to begin is be sure to plan it out ahead of time. Make sure you know where you want to put this patio and make sure that it's on a fairly level spot, that you don't have to bring in a bunch of backfill to level the spot out, or you're not going to have water flowing directly to the patio itself. Most of the time, whenever you're doing a patio drainage, there's two different types of drainage. Either the corrugated pipe that you're going to put around the patio to capture any surface water as it comes down through the soil to keep it from standing around your patio, or more of a grate drain kind of drainage that runs through the patio. Maybe it's right up next to a storm door and you don't want water to rush back towards that storm door. You could put more of a grate drain tile in there to make sure that that water is diverted away from your home's foundation and the patio itself. If water doesn't drain off the patio, it's going to run somewhere. Whether that's perfectly level or if it's even sloped back to the house, which is one of the worst things that can happen, because that water runs back to the house and then it starts to wash out the foundation of the home. Whether that causes water infiltration into your crawl space basement, or it actually starts to wash out that structural soil underneath the foundation of your home and allows it to settle. Now, if it's just all that water is just sitting around your patio, it's usually going to start to settle over time. If you're doing a concrete patio, that can start to crack and settle over time if you don't plan for these types of things. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have a patio and have concerns with it or any questions? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.